Hey everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a small but essential component in your car's engine system, the intake air temperature sensor, or IAT sensor. We'll cover how it works, what happens when it fails, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. The intake air temperature sensor is used by the engine's power control module to decide at which rate the engine should spark and inject fuel to obtain optimal performance. It is usually located in the air intake boot, but it may also be located in the air cleaner housing or intake manifold. A faulty IAT sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the IAT sensor related error codes. First, carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle. Usually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the IAT sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Always use a sensor that's compatible with your car. Keep the air intake system clean to prevent future issues. If the problem persists, consult a professional mechanic. And that's it for today's video on the IAT sensor. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Four Wheels Empire, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.